All right, guys. Credit Suisse, it's looking like it's going to get bought for 25 cents, the share price. And but here's the catch. There is a popular crypto guy that wants to buy Credit Suisse. Can you guess who it is? I'm going to talk about it at the very end of this video. But first, as always, please like and subscribe. Check us down below for our CT Club where you get our trade alerts, which have been killing it lately, and market updates and much more. Anyways, let's get into this. So the Financial Times said that UBS has offered a price of 25 cents or Swiss francs 27 cents a share to be paid in UBS stock. Credit Suisse shares ended Friday at 1.86 Swiss francs. Yeah, so ouch. Poor investors, literally. So to go back into time a little bit, look at Bear Stearns. So what happened with Bear Stearns back in 2008? They were bought for $2 a share. Later it was amended, but yeah, so this is kind of similar. But I'm gonna get into soon how much bigger Credit Suisse was compared to Bear Stearns. Let's say much bigger, much more currency printing that's going to be happening. Swiss authorities expected to change country's law to bypass UBS shareholders with a vote. So we shall see what happens with this. But it does look like UBS might be pulling the trigger on this, unless this popular crypto guy hops in and saves the day. All right, so here we go. Credit Suisse got a $50 billion bailout. UBS has a $6 billion granted backstop from Swiss National Bank if they take it over. And despite having $500 billion in assets, UBS is only willing to fork over $1 billion for the deal. That's incredible. And this is why it makes me think, is this popular crypto guy going to actually be able to pull this off? Let's see. So right now, this is much greater than what's happening with US banks, okay? So the Swiss bank's balance sheet is around twice the size of Lehman Brothers when it collapsed, at around 530 billion Swiss francs at the end of 2022. So now, here's the guy that wants to save the day. Can you guess it? Starts with a J, ends with a S, his last name. Justin Sun, the founder of Tron. He wants to save the day with he offered $1.5 billion to acquire Credit Suisse and integrate it into the Web3 world. Yes. This guy. Switzerland has been one of the most crypto-friendly countries in the world, he writes. My vision for the future of finance involves embracing the potential of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. By integrating Credit Suisse into a crypto-friendly financial institution, we can pave the way for a more innovative and decentralized financial system. Oh my gosh.
He's going backwards.
Yeah, this guy's like, I'm kind of missing the point of crypto where kind of be your own bank. Yeah, okay. He also says, by acquiring Credit Suisse and transforming it into a crypto-friendly financial institution, we can create a new standard for financial innovation that benefits everyone. And lastly, he says, by acquiring Credit Suisse and integrating it into the crypto-friendly landscape of Switzerland, we can leverage the country's progressive policies and position ourselves in the leader of financial innovation. So, yeah, first off, I don't think regulators are going to bite the $1.5 billion that Justin Sun wants to give, even though there's probably some shareholders who would be, happier than just $1 billion. But we will have to see. I don't think that's going to happen. I think, it's a big club and you ain't in it. If you've ever heard George Carlin say that, this is true, that you're going to find this out. If you haven't figured this out by now, it is a giant club. All these bankers want to consolidate power, like I said in yesterday's video, and create a much more centralized atmosphere for crypto, or sorry, for traditional finance, and they want to boot out crypto. They don't want anything to do with cryptocurrencies because they have their own little cryptocurrency themselves. Call it a stable coin, CBDC, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, this is going to be fascinating. I'm going to keep you guys updated on this. But first, like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, Justin Sun.